a great young South African, Mandy Rousseau. As a young journalist, she had already achieved great heights in her career. She was a young woman with integrity, passion and commitment, not only to the Fourth Estate, but to her nation and our democracy at large. We mourn her loss and we honor her legacy. Meanwhile, another heartbreak plays itself out within the media industry, that of the prolonged crisis at the SABC. Within the SABC too, there are many committed and passionate South Africans who are the heartbeat of that organization, also tirelessly working to make a difference. They deserve a stable organization to work at. South Africans deserve a stable SABC they can be proud of. Not an SABC that is routinely labeled as a national embarrassment and a sinking ship stranded in a sea of incompetence. We therefore note those on the board who stepped aside yesterday, and we hope that the remainder of the board will stay and recommit their resolve toward building a stable and strong SABC. The SABC now needs a board and management dedicated exclusively to rebuilding the organization. Leadership that will prioritize the creation of an SABC we can respect. If not, the SABC will move beyond redemption, and South Africans will no longer believe that it's the right thing to do to pay their TV licenses. This requires dramatic, fast-moving, and bold leadership on the part of Minister Dina Pule. I thank you.
The ID.